afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamb here. 2012 government past question. Question number 14. Question number 14 says that. Question number 14 says that to ensure the rights and freedom of citizens, the powers of the arms of government must be dashed. To ensure the rights and freedom of citizens, the powers of the arms of government must be dashed. Now, when we talk of the power of the arms of government, the arms of government are principally three in number. We have the legislative, then we have the executive, and then we have the judiciary. So for effectiveness of the freedom, to guarantee the rights and freedom of citizens of a country, there must be separation, and that's what we call separation of power. So the essence of separation of power is to ensure the right and freedom of citizens. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.